In a move aimed at strengthening governance in the education sector, Karnataka School Education and Literacy Minister Madhu Bangarappa on Monday introduced two significant bills in the Assembly, one aimed at protecting government educational lands and the other at reforming the teacher transfer system. The Karnataka Government Educational Institutions Lands Protection and Regularization Bill 2026 seeks to safeguard land used by government schools and pre-university colleges. It proposes deemed vesting of such lands with the state if they have been in continuous use for more than 12 years. The bill also bars legal claims over these lands after this period, while providing a limited window for genuine claims through a grievance redressal mechanism. Further, the bill allows for the issuance of vesting certificates as definite proof of ownership, mandates the maintenance of proper land records, and empowers authorities to prevent encroachments. It also recognizes long-term use of land for educational purposes as a valid public purpose, even in cases where formal documentation is lacking. The second legislation, the Karnataka State Civil Services Regulation of Transfer of Teachers Amendment Bill 2026, introduces key reforms to the existing transfer policy. It defines critical posts across schools and pre-university institutions and gives priority to transfers into these positions. According to the amendment, transfers to certain posts will be carried out only through counselling. It also sets a minimum service requirement of 12 years for eligibility and a maximum tenure of 3 years in specified roles. The bill clearly prohibits the transfer of teachers to non-teaching positions in government departments and institutions. Additionally, the reforms include provisions for request-based transfers, subject to availability of critical posts. Teachers seeking transfers out of the Kalyana Karnataka region must have completed at least 10 years of services in the region. The bill also extends special considerations to women teachers, including those who are pregnant or have children below the age of 5. Overall, both bills aim to bring legal clarity to ownership of educational institution lands and introduce greater transparency, structure, and efficiency in the teacher transfer process across the state.